Does the water from your side-by-side refrigerator have an odd taste or strange odor? Well, it may be simple enough for you to resolve on your own without having to seek a service repairman. First, make sure your refrigerator is connected to a drinkable water source. If it is connected to a proper water source, simply replacing the water filter should take care of the bad taste in the water. Next, make sure you have a genuine LG water filter installed. Genuine LG water filters can filter out contaminants, which are the common cause for water tasting bad. We recommend that you use a genuine LG water filter and replace it every 6 months. You should also replace the water filter if the indicator is on, or if the water dispenser output has recently decreased. After replacing the filter, flush 2.5 gallons of water out of the water line. Flushing out the water line removes trapped air and contaminants. This should also work when you have a not yet fully exhausted carbon water filter, but the water still tastes bad. This will normally happen if you're using the dispenser for the first time since installation, or if the refrigerator has not been used for a long period of time. Properly flush the system by pressing and releasing the dispenser pad by intervals of 30 seconds on and 60 seconds off until you dispense 2.5 gallons of water. This should take you about 5 minutes. If you need any further assistance on how to replace your water filter or how to flush out the system, check out our How to Replace the Water Filter video for a detailed walkthrough. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.